So you want to take this file and you want to put it into a folder that is within a folder, within a folder, within a folder. I'm going to show you a really cool shortcut for the quickest way to do that. The Mac has a really cool feature called spring-loaded folders. And before I do it, I always like to make sure that I'm in column view, which is Command 3 on the keyboard. And you just drag the icon or drag the file onto the folder and hold it there for just a sec, and it'll pop open the next one, the subfolder. And you can keep going deeper and deeper into your folder structure. There's no limit, and eventually get it to exactly where you want, and you can drop it there. It is a little slow to do it that way because you're waiting for the folder to pop open. So a cool shortcut that very few people know about is if you hit the space bar whenever you're dragging onto a folder, it'll pop it open instantly. So it looks like this. You just drag it and then hit space bar and then space bar and space bar, and you get the idea. And much faster, much more quickly, you can get that file into the folder that you want to get it into. Boom, Mac Epiphany. If that blew your mind and you want more, get the best of the best from macinhome.com/shortcuts. That's a wrap.
Done. Stop the sound.
Clap.